This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we're assembling the Halloween cart box card. So I have my base laid out here in each section piece matched up to where it belongs, and I'm just going to fold this on the score lines. Okay, and then you've got to decide which side you want to be your front and which side you want to be your back. They're just mirror images of each other, so it doesn't really matter. This is going to be my back and this is going to be my front. So on the back, I'm going to go ahead and put this piece on that I've already glued together. This is the piece for my sentiment. I'm just going to glue that there on the back. Now, we've got these pieces here. We've got this piece with just the long beams. This is just to add some extra support since the card is tall. Okay, but I want to glue this on the inside so that, and then this piece with the web on the bottom, this is for your front. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece on first. It'll be helpful to have a small tipped bottle to get your glue in here. I did ink the edges with a kind of creamy white. Okay, so we just do that. The next piece, I've got some of for the front, I cut the brown beams. For the inside, I'm just going to leave it black. But if you wanted, you could cut 2 sets of these. Okay. And then these 2 pieces are for the stripes. So this one here with the straight edge is for the top. And then this one you're just going to eyeball to kind of make the stripes even. Just line it up side to side. And then there is also this drippy ooze to put across the top. Okay. And you have your wheel. You just want to make sure it'll line that up. And then I made the center of the wheel a little eyeball, and this is 4 layers, the red and the white, and then the black, and I did the eye purple just to cut down on the number of colors I had. Okay, and then this piece goes right across, just like that. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna flip it over. And this piece I'm gonna glue right to the inside. And again, that's just to make this more stable. Okay. So you'll have that. And I do use textured cardstock, and I forgot to flip this piece before I cut it. So my textured side is going to be down. So keep that in mind if you're using textured cardstock. You'll want to flip this piece if your texture is just on one side. Oh, bummer. Okay. And then we can just set this aside for a minute and bring in our cauldron. Okay, and if you want some extra bubbles, there are some extra bubbling to add to your cauldron. Okay, and then I think I'm going to pop this with some foam tape. I'm going to put that there. Okay, then fold that on the score lines. This is your insert. And I think I'm also going to put a pumpkin back here. Just going to put some glue here and there. I thought these would help break up the darkness of everything. I really debated on whether or not to add the pumpkins, but I do think they help. Okay, so then we have our little cup of our potion. You're just gonna layer these pieces on, and then don't forget your little ooze. That's going to go on the front. So then we have our sign. And this I am going to pop with foam tape. Oops. Nope. Did not want to pop the top. I want to do this one towards the bottom. And then I want to glue, like if you think of a sandwich board, it opens and the top is together, the bottom is open. So I want to glue my top down, but I want the bottom popped up. So I'm going to line this up. And then it doesn't do a whole lot, but it does do a little. Then we can glue this on. I made the sandwich board, obviously a coffin this time, to go with the Halloween theme. And then I'm going to glue my raven onto the board here. And then I'm going to glue my pumpkin right there. Now, let's bring in, it is top heavy right now. Okay, we're going to bring in our insert, and I'm going to put glue on the tab. And lay this down. Whoops. Right inside. Catch that right there. And then I'm going to glue this other tab, put glue on this other tab. I'm going to fold this over. Catch that glue right there on the side. Put glue here to close the card. And then fold it both ways. Okay. I'm going to put some foam tape here. And just glue that right there to the front. There we go. It helps stabilize that. And then I'm going to glue my drink right here. Get my finger out and then show you. And this is, it's kind of hard to see right there, the Halloween cart box card. Thank you for joining me.